Hey, Daniel, you look excited today. What's going on?
Yeah, I was just thinking about my future. Do you have a dream, Sarah?
Of course, everyone has a dream. What's yours?
My dream is to become a successful pilot. I want to travel the world, see different countries, and fly the biggest airplanes.
Wow, that's an amazing dream. Why do you want to be a pilot?
Because I love the sky. When I was a kid, I used to watch airplanes take off and thought, one day, I will be the one flying. And I want to help people reach their destinations safely.
That's so inspiring. And I believe you can do it. You're smart, hardworking, and you never give up.
Thank you, Sarah. What about you? What's your dream?
My dream is to become a doctor. I want to help sick people and give them a better life. When someone recovers because of my help, that will be the greatest achievement for me.
That's a beautiful dream. You'll make a caring doctor for sure. You're always helping others already.
Aw, thank you, Daniel. Sometimes I feel nervous about the future, but dreams give us direction.
Exactly. Dreams give us energy. They push us to work harder every day.
Yes. And even if the journey is tough, we must keep going because dreams don't work unless we do.
True. From today, let's make a promise. We will support each other and chase our dreams together.
Deal. One day, you'll fly the plane and I'll be the doctor on board.
So, future pilot Daniel and future Dr. Sarah, let's get to work.
Let's go. The future is waiting for us.